Welcome to Mitchell Makes Vids, your creative stock canvas. Today, Figma Inc., ticker Fig, the collaborative design disruptor drawing big moves. Q2 2025 revenues sketched 33% higher to 250 million, topping estimates, with EPS at 0.09 beating forecasts. TTM sales hit 893 million, but post-August IPO, shares dipped 26% in September to $51.94 close today after a wild ride. Canvas ignites. OpenAI Sam Altman unveiled ChatGPT integration for Figma today, embedding design tools directly, sparking a 16% intraday surge to $59 highs. XBuzz targets $100, amplifying AI workflow growth. Buy calls $70 targets on 37% 2025 revenue growth to $1 billion. Plus, now at 25x sales, a post-hype steal. But Adobe rivalry lingers. Creative edge or correction? Sketch your take. Like if you're inspired, subscribe for tech sketches, and comment below. Draw next. Guys, check the links in the video description below to make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. See you in the next one.